Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League through Steam. First, you'll need to have Steam installed on your computer. If you don't, head over to the official Steam website and download the client. Once installed, open Steam and use the search bar to find Rocket League. It's a free-to-play title, so simply add it to your library and start the download. The game file size is approximately 25 gigabytes, so it might take a little while depending on your internet speed. Make sure your system meets the minimum specifications for the best experience. Once Rocket League is installed, navigate to your Steam library and click play to launch the game. While you can use a keyboard and mouse, most players find a controller offers a more intuitive experience. Connect your preferred gamepad before starting. The core controls involve accelerating, reversing, jumping, and boosting. Spend some time in the free play mode to get a feel for your car's physics. Mastering basic movements, like double jumps and using boost effectively, is crucial for success in matches. You'll be scoring aerial goals in no time. Rocket League offers a variety of game modes to keep things exciting. You can jump into casual matches for a relaxed experience or test your skills in competitive playlists to climb the ranks. There are also extra modes like Hoops, Snow Day, and Drop Shot, which offer unique twists on the classic gameplay. As you play, you'll earn experience points, which contribute to your Rocket Pass progression, unlocking new customization items for your car. Completing daily and weekly challenges also provides valuable rewards, helping you personalize your ride. To truly excel in Rocket League, consistent practice is key. The game provides excellent training packs where you can focus on specific mechanics like aerials, shooting, or saves. Watching professional players on streaming platforms can also offer valuable insights into advanced rotations and strategies. Remember to communicate with your teammates using quick chat or voice chat for better coordination. Engaging with the vibrant Rocket League community online can also provide a wealth of tips, tricks, and opportunities to find new teammates. Have fun and keep practicing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.